Are you watching 101 Dalmatians? Did I get you watching 101? It's a good movie. I've never seen it. Maggie, come on, Maggie. Maggie's my buddy. Ruff. What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing. Do you want to turn around so you can watch 101 Dalmatians? Still just, you want to lay down? Come on. You can lay. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Oh no! This is the first time she's came all the way up here. Now she's out of here. That was scary. Close encounters. The biggest dog ever. What? Pet me. What? No. No. Toy? You get her toy. You get your toy.